Zara, every time I see you, this palace feels peaceful.
Your Highness, if anybody hears this, I will lose my job.
Then let them hear.
But I am only a maid. I'm a nobody. I came from poor background.
To the kingdom maybe, but to me, you are priceless.
A maid? Out of all the women in this kingdom, you choose a servant?
Mother, I love her.
Love does not sit on a throne.
My queen, I never wanted trouble. I can leave the palace.
No.
Palace.
No! Nobody will send her away!
If you marry that maid, you will lose your title as prince.
Then I will give up the crown.
Khalid!
Think carefully. Love fades, but power remains. No father, true love remains.
I cannot destroy your future because of love.
You're my future.
One day you will become king and they will never accept me.
If it costs me losing my throne for you, Zara, I will lose it.
I will stay Prince Khalid. I can't lose you.
Maybe we were protecting the throne and forgetting your happiness.
A good heart is greater than royal blood.
Thank you, Father.
I promise to honor this family forever.
You've probably been seeing those viral AI dialogue videos all over YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. But what if I told you you can create them completely free using just your smartphone? Today, I'll show you step by step how to create cinematic AI story videos with emotional characters, voiceover, and movie-like scenes that look professionally made. And here is the crazy part. A few weeks ago, one of my students joined my AI movie masterclass with zero experience. And today, that student is already monetized on Facebook, earning from AI story videos. If you've been looking for a way to grow fast with AI content creation, this video might change everything for you. If you are serious about learning how to create viral AI dialogue videos, cinematic story content, and grow your page for monetization, make sure you subscribe right now. I teach everything step by step using free AI tools. Also click the link in the description to join my AI movie masterclass for proper guidance, powerful prompts, and creator support. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to create your scripts. How do you get your scripts? Alright, so it's either you narrate a particular story to ChatGPT to convert to a video, okay, or you tell ChatGPT to create a story for you. Alright, so what I did was telling ChatGPT the kind of story that I wanted. Okay, remember, you can either use the microphone right there in ChatGPT, or you can just type it. Okay, now these are my scripts. Alright, these are the scripts which I generated. Now, within that your scripts, what you necessarily need is you need ChatGPT to draft out your images description, your camera angles, and your dialogue. These are very important. Alright, so alright, I don't want this video to be too lengthy. If you want the prompts which I use, comment prompts and I will send it to you. Alright, so let's forge ahead. Step 2, image generation. Alright, we are going to use Flow AI to generate our images. Generated all these things for you. The next thing you need to do is to go to your browser and search for Google Flow. Alright, search for Google Flow. It is 100% free. That's where we're going to generate our image. When you search for Google Flow, you have to register with your Google account and click on the plus icon. Now when you look down below, you'll see Nano Banana. Click on that Nano Banana and select your preferred aspect ratio and select X2. Now the reason why I normally use X2 is to generate 2 images for me, so that if one is not okay, I can use the other one. Alright, so this is where you paste your prompt and you hit generate here. After generating your main characters images, you have to generate your scene by scene description. Alright, so now what is scene by scene description? Scene by scene description means where the event took place, the settings of your video. Alright, so let me check the results. Alright, as you can see, the image looks so beautiful. Alright, so after generating my main characters images, as you can see, I have generated all my main characters images. You have to generate the scene by scene. Alright, so you're going to put the main characters and the scene where it took place. Right, so you have to put it together. Now what I'm doing here is generating my scene by scene. As you can see, this is my scene by scene image description which I generated. Also click the link in the description to join my AI movie masterclass for proper guidance, powerful prompts, and creator support. You can see I've generated my scene by scene images. So for you to download any image of your choice, just on it, you are going to see this icon where my arrow is pointing at. Click on it and download your image. Now step 3 is lip syncing. We are going to lip sync our video. Alright, now the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and search for Kai API. And search for it. You have to register with your Google account. Then click on the search bar and search for Grok. Just click there and search for Grok. Now, when you click and search for Grok will appear. Then you're going to select whether text to video or image to video or text to image. You can as well generate your image here. So once you've done that, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now, the first thing you need to do is to remove. You see an option where you remove the previous image generated. Just remove it and add your own image and select add. Now the image will start loading. So once it's done uploading here, you'll see an option that says prompt. Now that is where you're going to paste your dialogue, your scene by scene video prompt and your dialogue. So I've gone to my notepad to copy my scene 1. So I'm copying my scene 1 and my scene 1 image description, my scene 1 video description, and my dialogue. So I'm going to copy it. So when I copy it, I'll go back to Kai API. Alright, I'll go back there. Now, before generating your video, you have to set up your aspect ratio. As you can see, it's boldly written here: 2:3, 3:2, 1:1, 16:9, and 9:16. So you have to select the one that resonates with you. Depends on the one you're working with. Select it. Alright, when you select it, you have to scroll down and hit generate. Now the video is ready. So what you have to do is to click on the 3 dots. You see the 3 dots that is being displayed there. Click on it, and when you click on it, you are going to see download option. Alright, so you select download. Now it has automatically been downloaded to my gallery. Alright, so let me play it and let's see the results.
Zara, every time I see you, this palace feels peaceful.
Your Highness, if anybody hears this, I will lose my job.
Then let them hear.
This is so clean and beautiful. There is no watermark. First thing I did was editing my dialogue only. I didn't touch the image. I edited my dialogue and I have to hit generate. Okay, so it's generating the video for me. Now it has generated another one for me. So I'll follow the same procedure to click on the 3 dots and download it. So this is it. Just select allow. If this thing pops up, select allow. Alright, my video has been downloaded. So let me play it and see the results.
But I am only a maid. I'm a nobody. I came from poor background.
To the kingdom maybe, but to me, you are priceless.
This came out nice. As you can see, it is so beautiful. The quality of the video is something else. No watermark. Alright.
Next is to delete the previous image I generated and click the same place and upload a new scene. So as you can see, it is uploading. So once it appears, you have to so what I did was highlighting my previous dialogue to paste another one. So whether you highlight it or you delete, anyone that works with you is fine. Okay, so I'll scroll down and hit run. The video is ready. As you can see, select the 3 dots and download it. Okay, so let's see the results.
A maid? Out of all the women in this kingdom, you choose a servant?
Mother, I love her.
Love does not sit on a throne. All the women in this kingdom, you choose a servant?
Mother, I love her.
Love does not sit on a throne.
I love every bit of it, both the reaction, the action, and everything. Alright, so what I'm going to do is to do the same thing that I do. I'm going to highlight the ones that I don't need and paste the new dialogue. Alright, so after doing this, I will hit generate.
My queen, I never wanted trouble. I can leave the palace.
No. Nobody will send her away.
Told you, I don't want this video to be lengthy. Alright, so after you're done with your lip sync and every other thing, the next thing you need to do is to go to your CapCut and you put everything together. You arrange your videos, put them together, and you export your work. That is how to create your dialogue videos for free. Now, if you want to master this, if you want to prompt this better, join my masterclass. The link is in the description. Now, if you watch this video till the end, there is one thing I need to tell you. If you're using these AI tools to generate your videos, all right, make sure you do that in early in the morning or midnight, because a lot of people are accessing this AI tool. Okay, in order for you to be able to generate your videos, use it early in the morning, very early in the morning or midnight. That's when most people will not be generating. So try it out and tell me the result. Now, if you are limited to generate more, what you have to do is very simple. Switch your Gmail account. When you switch your Gmail account, you'll be able to generate more videos. I hope this tutorial was helpful.
And that is how people are using AI story videos to grow fast and get monetized online. If you want to master AI movies, storytelling, and content creation the right way, click the link in the description to join my AI movie masterclass today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment ready if you want to start your AI creator journey. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.